Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix Crunchyroll Premium not working. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you can do is head over to your app store and on the search bar simply type in Crunchyroll and then tap on the app to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issues that you are facing, so just simply updating the app to the latest version will fix the issue. But if you are still having the issue, then what you can do is head over to your settings app, and once you're inside your settings, scroll down, then tap on general, then tap on iPhone storage on the general, and once you're inside your iPhone storage, scroll down until you find the Crunchyroll app and then tap on it. Now once you're inside your Crunchyroll app, what you need to do is tap on the upload app option, which lets you reset the app by clearing all the bugs and glitches in the app which might be causing the issues that you are facing. So just simply all you gotta do is try again and that will fix the issue, and that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.